Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to English Medium Prep by Exampur. I am Kumar Ravi. I am here to discuss some important questions from the previous year's exams section. Okay. So, guys, yesterday we had discussed some questions from the general physics portion, and tomorrow we will discuss some questions from the mixed section. Okay. So first of all, just do like this session and share this video among your friends so that they can also take the benefit of this session. Okay, so let us discuss. Before that I would like to tell you about the Exampur official application, that is Exampur official application. How you can download this application? Just go to the Play Store, Google Play Store, and then type Exampur. You will find Exampur Sarkari Nokri Prep, and then Sarkari Nokri Prep install. Okay, just register and then log in. You will find too many things. Okay, you will find a dashboard like this. Okay, and here you can see that there are many paid courses, books, quizzes, okay, and job alerts, and the previous year section, and the test series, scholarship, topic wise live classes, free live classes with test, free exam wise previous year's questions, daily weekly current affairs, unlimited practice session. So all these things you will get here in this application, and many are free. Okay, so in many things you can join freely, so that's why you can download this application and get the benefit of such important things. Okay, so now let's discuss some questions. My dear students, we had already discussed these questions yesterday, and today we will discuss some more questions ahead. Okay, so we will discuss, yes, we will discuss from this section. This is, and suppose that, okay, this is the question. When we talk about the question, then obviously you will have to answer it within short span of time, because you have a very short time in the exam also. Okay, so tell me the correct answer in this question. So cosmic rays are, okay, cosmic rays are charged particles, are uncharged particles, can be both charged and uncharged, D, none of the above. So which one is the correct answer? So which one is the correct answer? Okay, so guys, which one is the correct answer? Tell me, which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, these are charged particles, very small particles, but these are very small charged particles. Okay, and this is the reason that these rays ionizes the gases. Okay, so FM, the frequency band used in the broadcasting service, has a range. You can check your mobile phone device for this range, and you will find the true range. Range means in which you can see that the minimum frequency of the frequency modulation, minimum frequency, and the maximum frequency. Okay, so minimum to maximum, just check into your mobile phone device or in your radio device. You will see that it is 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. Okay, all the FM channels lie in this frequency band. Okay, so this is the frequency band, all the channels. Now, what is the distance between two successive horns and two successive troughs? Please tell. Okay, so what are the examples? Okay, so what are the examples? Please tell. Tell me. Yes. So tell me, what is the distance between two successive horns and two successive troughs? Actually, when we talk about the wave, suppose that this is a wave. Okay. Suppose that this is a wave. If this is a wave, okay, if this is a wave, obviously here you can see that if this is a wave, okay, if this is a wave, then obviously here you can see that this is a wave. This is a wave. Suppose that this is a wave like this, and these are the 2 points. Okay, so this is known as crest. This is known as crest. Okay, and this is known as trough. TROUGH. Okay, now the similar thing is this. Okay, so this is another wave. Okay, so this is another wave, and this point is crest. This point is crest, and this is trough. Okay, so this is trough, and this point. Okay, so the distance between these two things, this is known as what? Trough. And this distance between these two things, this is known as, this is known as the wavelength. Okay, so these are the wavelengths actually. So these are the wavelengths. So these are equal and these are known as wavelength. So here you can see that the B part is the correct answer. Okay, so my dear students, here you can see that the B part is the correct answer. Okay, so B part is the correct one. Now we will move to another question. Okay, so here you can see that yes, here you can see that waves used for telecommunication are visible light, infrared, ultraviolet, microwave. Okay, so actually for the telecommunication purpose, only microwaves are used. Okay, for telecommunication purpose, microwaves are used. Suppose that this is a television set. Suppose that this is a television set like this. Okay, so this is a television set like this. Okay, so this is a television set like this. Television set like this, and suppose that okay, suppose that this is a television. Okay, suppose that this is a television and this is an antenna. Okay, so this is an antenna. Like antenna will look like this. Okay, so this is an antenna, and suppose that this is satellite. Okay, so this is satellite. This is satellite. Okay, so this is satellite, or satellite must look like this. Okay, satellite must look like this. Satellite must look like this. Okay, so these are the two plates. These are the two plates, and this is like this. Okay, so these are the two plates and these are the satellites. Suppose that, and now you will see that these waves are coming from this. Okay, from this to this. Okay, so these are actually microwaves. Okay, so these are microwaves. So here you can see that these are the microwaves. This is the telecommunication. Okay, so just like you can see here, you can draw here a mobile phone also, mobile phone device. Okay, so suppose that this is a mobile phone device. Suppose that this is a mobile phone device. Okay, so this is a mobile phone device, This is a mobile phone device. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is a mobile phone device. Okay, so this is a mobile phone device. Okay, so now this one is also mobile phone, TV. Okay, mobile phone, TV. Okay, all these things, microwave. Okay, so guys, yes, so question number this. So question, what happens due to the fight of supersonic jet? What happens due to the fight of supersonic jet? Pollution in the air when the fight takes place. Obviously, pollution not in the air. Obviously, pollution takes place. Pollution takes place, but the noise pollution is very, very high. Okay, pollution in the air, disease of the eyes, obstruction of the ozone layer. Here actually C part is the correct answer, because when the supersonic jets fight, then obviously they fight at very high altitude. At that altitude, ozone layer is there. Okay, so ozone layer, there is the continuous depletion of ozone layer when these supersonic jets fight. Okay, so this is obstruction of the ozone layer. Okay, so this one is now, what radiation can the ideal black body absorb? What radiation can the ideal black body, when it is talking, is when it is talking about the ideal black body. Okay, ideal black body. So ideal black body means it can absorb all types of color wavelengths. Okay, it can absorb all types of color. It can absorb all types of color. Okay, so here C, it means all wavelengths. Okay, all wavelengths, it means D part will be the correct answer. Name the radiation energy whose energy is minimum. Okay, whose energy is minimum. Energy will be minimum for which the frequency is minimum. We all know that. Energy is equal to Planck's constant into frequency. Okay, so if the energy has to be taken minimum, it means the frequency minimum. Okay, if the frequency is minimum, it means the wavelength should be maximum. Okay, it means the wavelength should be maximum. So wavelength will be maximum in case of microwave, gamma ray, ultraviolet, visible light, microwave. Obviously microwave. Okay, so here microwave will be the correct answer. So here microwave will be the correct answer. Okay, now, okay, which phenomena do bats or dolphins use to detect predators or obstacles? Pre means शिकार बोलते हैं जिसे, ठीक है ना, pre. Then tell me which one is the true. Refraction of sound, formation of wispands, resonance, determination, scattering of sound, or we can say that echo. Yeah, reflection of sound. Reflection of sound. And E part is the correct answer. Reflection of sound. Okay, so there is reflection of sound. Reflection of sounds. Okay, so this one is the correct answer. Now, given three mediums, water, steel and nitrogen. Water, steel and nitrogen. Arrange the speed of sound in ascending order. Okay, arrange the mediums in which the speed of sound is continuously increasing. Okay, so which one is true? Okay, tell me which one is true. We all know that speed of sound is maximum in solid and then liquid and then gas. So solid means steel. Here steel is greater than water, is greater than N2, nitrogen. Okay, steel means second option. Steel means second option. Okay, water means first option. Okay, and third means nitrogen. Nitrogen. Third. Okay, so this one is third. So this is the correct answer. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so third, first, and second. So here it is talking about the ascending order. Then obviously you can see which one is the correct answer. Okay, please tell, please do like this session and share this session among all your friends. Do like this session and share this session among all your friends. बढ़ते हुए क्रम में आपको लिखना था. Then obviously second should be at the last position. Second should be at the last position. So here you will start third, first, and second. Third, first, and second. So B part will be the correct answer. So B part will be the correct answer. Now, in which medium the speed of sound wave is fastest? Tell me. In which medium the speed of sound is fastest? We all know that. So please tell me in which medium the speed of this is fastest. Okay, so in which medium the speed of sound wave is fastest? Sound wave is fastest. In which medium the speed of sound wave is fastest? Obviously in solid. Okay, obviously in solid. Okay, so this is solid. In which medium? We all know that the speed of sound is maximum in solid and minimum in gas. Okay, so in which medium the speed of sound will be maximum at a temperature of about 20 degrees Celsius? In which medium the speed of sound will be maximum at a temperature of about 20 degrees Celsius? Obviously it is talking about 20 degrees Celsius, it means normal temperature. Then obviously here you can see that iron will be the correct answer, because this is solid as well as elastic. Okay, means flexible. Okay, solid and elastic or flexible. So B part is the correct answer. Sorry, D part is the correct answer. Sound waves cannot move solids in liquids, gases in a vacuum. Sound waves cannot move in solids, liquid, gases in a vacuum. We all know that solid sound wave is a longitudinal wave, and longitudinal wave is a mechanical wave. And for the propagation of the mechanical wave, obviously for the propagation of the mechanical wave, medium is required. Hence we can say that D part is the correct answer. Okay, now what should be the minimum distance between the source and sound and the reflecting surface so that the echo can be heard clearly? Okay, we all know that this distance is approximately 16.6 meters. 16.6 meters. Okay, this is at 0 degrees Celsius. But ds, this is 22 degrees Celsius, and this will be equal to 17.2 meters. Okay, so here there are two distances, 16.6 and 17.2. So actually both are B. Actually, both are equal to B. Okay. Two persons cannot hear each other on the surface of the moon. Two persons cannot hear each other on the surface of the moon because their ears stop working on the moon. Two persons cannot hear each other on the surface of the moon because their ears cannot their ears stop working on the moon. There is no atmosphere on the moon. They wear a special type of space suit on the moon. Sound travels very slowly on the moon. Okay, so here actually we all know that there is no atmosphere on the moon. Hence, due to the absence of the medium, sound wave cannot propagate, and this is the reason that B option is the correct answer. Okay, and this is the reason that B option is the correct answer. This is the reason that B option is correct. Okay, now 16, consider the following statements regarding ultrasonic waves. They can destroy insects. Obviously true. Okay, they can clean clothes by removing dust. Yes, true. Due to vibrations. They can be used for the treatment of diseases. True. Okay, they can control automatic doors. True. Okay, ultrasonic waves. Obviously, all above the above are correct. So here D part will be the correct answer. D part will be the correct answer. Okay, so D part will be the correct answer. Now, bats can fly in the dark night. Bats can fly in the dark night and can also hunt their prey. What is the reason for this? Prey means shikar. Okay, so actually in ancient days, kings or princes used to go for the hunting. Okay, used to go to the jungle for hunting. Okay, they used to hunt their prey like deers. Okay, lion. Okay, and tigers. Okay, so these kind of. So the pupil of their eyes are large. This is not correct answer. They have very good night vision. No. Even bird can do this. Nope. They produce ultrasound waves and are directed by them. D is the correct answer. Here D is the correct answer because they produce ultrasound wave, and those ultrasound waves are just propagate in forward direction, and if they strike with the obstacle, then obviously they are reflected. Okay, they get reflected, and those reflected waves are received by that bat, and that bat actually just come to know there is something obstacle. That's why we have not to go on that way. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Now, yes, 18, consider the following statements. The heart vibrates in an audible heart vibrates at inaudible frequency. Inaudible frequency, the speed of sound is greater in gas than in liquid and solid. Okay, the heart vibrates at inaudible frequency. Inaudible frequency, obviously true. Okay, true. The speed of sound is greater in gas. Knobs. False. Mach number is used to indicate the speed of sound. True. The frequency of ultrasonic sound is more than 20. Yes. True. Okay. So fourth, third, and first. First, third, and fourth. First, third, and fourth are correct. It means C option is correct. So here C option is correct. Okay. C option is the correct answer. Now, the noise intensity level of 100 decibel corresponds to, oh my god, 100 decibel. You know, a normal human ear can withstand a sound pressure from 15 decibel to 85 decibel. But here it is talking about 100 decibel. It means 100 decibel of sound will lead to the permanent hearing loss to the man. Okay. So that's why 100 decibel is very, very bad. Okay, so audible sound, normal conversation, the sound of a noisy street, the sound of a machine factory. Okay, so D part will be the correct answer. So D part will be the correct answer. Okay. That's why, in heavy industries, working men are provided earbuds. Okay, they just use earbuds so that no noise pollution can enter into the ears. Okay, so this is the correct answer. According to the World Health Organization, the safe noise pollution for a city, safe noise pollution. Oh, safe noise pollution. So what is this? What is the safe noise pollution range? For what is the safe noise pollution range? And it is actually 45 decibel. It is 45 decibel, because 45 decibel, okay, I can bear, you can bear, okay, but above 45 we will feel some fear. Okay, yes. So when the same note is played, no, this is not for our syllabus. Which type of electromagnetic radiation is used to for the remote control television? Oh my God! Actually, these are the remote control television, guys. Here you can see that this is the remote control device, and this device is used to just operate the this device is used to operate the AC. But here, and this is a remote control, this is used to just pause, this is used for the camera, okay, and there is an external remote that is used to control this board, and I have another remote control that is used for the set-top box, and I to have another remote control device that is used for the television. Okay, so that's why. But which electromagnetic signal is used? Actually, if you can see, then there is an LED inside this remote control device. This LED produces this LED produces this LED produces infrared radiation. Okay, so this LED produces infrared radiation. Very good. That's great. Do like this session and share this session among all your friends. Okay, so technology used for transmission audio signal in television broadcast, dimension pulse signal. This was from the communication, that was not included in our syllabus. What type of waves are X-rays? X-rays, which type of waves? X-rays, which type of waves? When we talk about the X-rays, which type of waves? These are electromagnetic. When we talk about which of the following does not affect the speed of sound? This is a very contradictory question actually. This question has already been asked in Rajasthan in different state examinations. And we all know that the speed of sound is equal to gamma into P upon D. Gamma into P upon D. Okay, so here you can see that gamma into P by D, it means which of the following does not affect the speed of sound? Speed of sound, it means actually all these things does not depend does not affect the speed of sound. Okay, so that's why. But here you can see that the heat means temperature, okay, affect the speed of sound. But here it is talking about which does not, it means the pressure. Actually pressure, when the pressure is changed, density is also changed, and that's why A part will be the correct answer. A part will be the correct answer. That's great. Okay, so A part will be the correct answer. The radius of curvature of a plane mirror is, radius of curvature of a plane mirror is, I have already told this example in my paid batch, and already told that this example has already been asked in different examinations in national and state level. Okay, so radius of curvature of a plane mirror is infinite. This is infinite. Okay, okay, no need to go for the convex or concave. Okay, so rainbow is the result of which events related to light. Refraction and dispersion. Let me show you the let me show you. So this is the drop. Okay, suppose that this is the ray. Okay, suppose that this is the ray. VIBGYOR. Okay, so this is GYOR. This is GYOR. Okay, so here you can see that this is the primary rainbow. But when we go for the secondary rainbow, okay, so this is okay, so VIBGYOR. Okay, so these are the 7 colors. Now you can see that refraction, TIR, dispersion. 1, 2, 3. This is refraction, 2 TIR, 3 dispersion. All these 3 takes place. Okay, so here actually scattering doesn't occur, diffraction no, reflection it means only A part is the correct answer. Refraction, here you can see that this is first and this is second. Okay, so first is refraction, first one is refraction, number 2 dispersion. Okay, so dispersion, so this one is the correct answer. Please note down. Okay, so this one is the correct answer. Please share this video among all your friends so that they can take the benefit of this session. Okay. Great. Sir, CV Raman was awarded with the Nobel Prize for which experiment? Reflection of light, knobs, deflection, knobs. Actually, he was awarded Nobel Prize for light scattering. Okay, he told the scattering phenomena. He told the reason behind that the atmosphere appears blue. Okay, who invented optical fiber? Narinder Kapani, Kapani, whatever. The minimum height of a plane mirror to see the full image of a person should be equal to the height of the person, half of the height of the person, 1/4 of the height of the person, none of these. Actually half of the person. So B part is the correct answer. Here. Okay, so B part is the correct answer. Now the color of light is determined by wavelength. The sky appears blue when viewed from the earth. Due to the scattering of shorter wavelengths. Okay, so this is C part is the correct answer. Because the reason is scattering is proportional to 1 upon wavelength. 1 upon wavelength to the power 4. Okay, so if the wavelength is small, then the scattering will be high. Okay, so which of the following are primary colors? Red, yellow and blue. Okay, so primary colors. Tell me which are the primary colors. Tell me which are the primary colors. Primary colors by which we can easily, yes, red, yellow and blue. Correct answer. Red, yellow and blue. So here A part is the correct answer. Now, on what principle does optical fiber work? On what principle does optical fiber work? Actually, optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. So total internal reflection, this is the correct answer. Red light is used in traffic signals because red light is used in traffic signals because it has the longest wavelength, it is beautiful, it is visible even in poor light, none of the above. Actually, A part is the correct answer. It has the longest wavelength. Longest wavelength light can be seen from a long distance. Okay, so can be seen from a long distance. Now, consider the following statements. Sun appears red at sunrise and sunset due to the scattering. Obviously correct. Okay, plane polarization of light produces vibrations in a plane. Correct. The diffraction of light bends around the corners of the hole. Correct. The hindrance of the shape is less as compared to Actually, this one is also correct. So here D part will be the correct answer. The sea water appears blue because of absorption of color, scattering of blue color, image formation of blue, formation of shadow of blue. Okay, that is wrong. Scattering of blue color by water molecules, absorption of colors other than blue. Actually here this one is the correct answer. Okay, so actually these are the some questions. Let me, human is like a camera. What is the reason for the formation of the rainbow in the sky? Color, dispersion of sunlight, reflection of sunlight and total internal reflection, refraction of sunlight. Actually here all of the above are the correct answer. Okay, so here all are the correct answer. So my dear students, tomorrow we will discuss such type of questions, and these are the questions for today's session. And I hope that you have learned, and please be there at 10 a.m. in the morning for the theory session, and at this session we discuss the questions. Okay, and at this session we discussed some questions which are important and which have already been asked in different examinations. Okay, so these questions are the previous year's questions actually. Okay. Myopia is a disease which is associated with eyes. Obviously eyes, we all know that. Associated with the image is seen upright when they standing at any position in the front of a mirror. Then what type of mirror will that mirror be? Flat or convex? Obviously flat or convex. So A part will be the correct answer. Okay, so A part will be the correct answer. Lenses are used in optical instruments to form images by which phenomena? Reflection, refraction. Actually, refraction is the correct answer. Okay. So guys, this is for today, and tomorrow we will also discuss some more questions. So please be there at 10 a.m. in the morning for the theory session and at 2 p.m. for the question answer session. Okay. So tomorrow we will meet again. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.